Welcome back to the second module of Wealth Creation Blueprint, the advantages and drawbacks of business investment in general. If investing in business is so rewarding, why isn't everyone investing? Why isn't everyone a millionaire? So let's talk about the pros and cons of investing in business, the certainty and the uncertainty. There are two main types of business investing, the existing business and the startups. The pros and cons of existing businesses. The advantages investing in an existing business are: you have a higher chance of receiving a stable ROI or return of investment. Have a sales record to gauge the potential growth of the business. A great deal of the groundwork is already done since the business is already up and running. The market for the product or service you will be selling is already established. It can often be easier to obtain financing because the business already has an established track record. There is likely established customers, which means there is a reliable income and a good network of contacts already in place. There should already be a business plan and a marketing strategy in place. Many of the problems that the businesses run into have already occurred and been resolved. The disadvantages in investing in an existing business are: no control of the company's operation and direction. Generally, a large amount of cash is necessary to make the actual investment. You will need a budget for an accountant, attorney, and other fees. You may have to renegotiate or honor any contracts that are already in place with the current owner. Next, let's talk about the pros and cons of startup business investment. The pros of startup business investment are: you can detach yourself from the market trends by diversifying. This is important if a startup has potential helping you to make more money in the long run, it is still a successful investment. The chance of potential growth for a startup is higher. The cons of startup business investment are: startup businesses run at a higher risk of getting no return as compared to established businesses. This is because they don't have concrete branding and do not have a good network of contacts. This leads to less or zero return in the beginning. Lack of resources or capital to work on their businesses. That's probably the main reason why they need investors like you to invest in them. In the next chapter, we'll discuss the pros and cons of different business investment in detail. Are you ready to make more money and get out of the rat race? See you in the next module.